Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to do the advanced texture tiling or repetition so you can modify your textures on X or Y axis separately. Let's get started. Continuing where we left in the last tutorial about this topic, we'll set up our advanced tiling in this space. I'll grab another texture coordinate pressing U and click, then I'm going to add a vector 4, searching for it with right click and typing vector 4, or press 4 in your keyboard and left click to add it in. This vector 4 holds our coordinates, being red our X, green our Y, blue our X offset, and alpha our Y offset. Converted to a parameter, let's set R and G to 1 and then go to channel names and give each channel the names mentioned before. Let's search and add an append node. Let's duplicate it and connect R and G to the first append and B and A to the second append. I'm going to add a multiply node, pressing M and left click, connect the texture coordinate to the A input of this multiply and the append result of R and G to B. After this multiply, we can bring an add node pressing A and left click, connect the multiply output to the A on the add node, and grab the output result of the second append node and connect it to B. We need to divide our first append by 2. Press D and left click to add a divide node, setting its B value to 2. Then bring another add node, pressing A and left click, connect the output of this divide to A and the result of our second append to B. Now we'll need to add another custom rotator, so right click and search for custom rotator or duplicate this one. Connect the output of this first add node to UVs, then the output of the second add node to rotation center, and we can copy paste this divide with its parameter and connect it to rotation angle input. Now we want to create a gate for when to use simple tiling or advanced tiling. I'm going to add a static switch, then click on value and drag to open my search box. Look for a static bool parameter and click. Give it a name of use advanced tiling. Connect the output of the advanced tiling to true and the simple tiling work we did last video to false. Connect the output of this switch to our textures and it's done. Now you can see in the material instance the switch we created to use advanced tiling. I can scale on each axis and offset the texture too. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful, and remember you can download my ArchViz template Lite for free and get my master material with this advanced setup. Take care and see you next time.